Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with some new colors from Marullo Nail Co. And they're perfect for the upcoming spring season. The first one is called Why So Salty. I love this one so much. It is a matte glitter filled with whites, blues, and purples, and it's really pretty. And the matte glitters give any kind of mani like a textured effect. And then it pairs perfectly with Grace, which is a periwinkle purple background. And then it has those really fun textured pieces in there. The swatch does not do that color justice. And then here are some of the fun spring colors that are going to be releasing on Friday. That is March 10th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. They are super pretty and perfect for the upcoming spring. We are going to be doing a set of press-ons today using dip liquids, and then we're going to do some color blocking to create a really fun textured mani. Now this mani is going to be full of texture, and what I mean by texture is that Why So Salty, it has that matte glitter in there, so it gives the nail naturally a dimensional textured look. And then we're going to use Grace, which has those almost looks like clay pieces in there, and it's just going to give the mani overall a really fun texture effect. And I'm completely in love with how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun and different, and these colors are perfect for spring. So stay tuned. At the end of the video, I will go ahead and post pictures of more manis with some of the spring colors that you saw on those swatches, and then I'm also going to post the beautiful pictures that Marullo Nail Co takes. Her pictures are stunning of these new colors, and I feel like they just have to be shared because they're just so pretty, and her dip powders are stunning. And if you haven't tried anything from Marullo Nail Co, definitely head over there after this video to check out her beautiful dips, and especially the colors that are releasing on Friday. So again, the new spring colors are releasing this Friday. That is March 10th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So a lot of things to look forward to because there are so many beautiful colors. So that one color that I was going to use originally, if you saw in the beginning of the video, I had 3 dips laying out, was called Partly Cloudy. It was a UV dip. I was going to throw that in this mani, but then after seeing how this mani was coming together with Why So Salty, I loved that color so much that I was like, we're just going to keep using it. So that's why I did not end up using that other color, but we'll use that color for a different day. So enough chit chat, let's get into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. It is super fun and perfect for spring with these colors, and I really like the mani with this textured look that these two dip powders gave it. It's just something different and really unique, and I really like how it turned out. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to create your own press-on sets as well. Don't forget the new colors from Marullo Nail Co. released tomorrow. That's Friday, March 10th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.